Look at that. Yes, Maxine's Corner. Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious, mouth-watering vegan lasagna. Okay, so I want to welcome all my new subscribers. I've been gone for about a week, but I'm back. Maxine's Corner is back in action. So I'm back, and like I said, welcome to all my new subscribers. And for my old subscribers, I miss you guys. Virtual reality hug. If you're not subscribed to the channel, why not? Why are you not subscribed to the channel? You love healthy meals, you love weight loss tips, so go ahead and subscribe. And you also love to have a fun time, right? Go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more fun. Hit the little button that says subscribe, and also don't forget that bell, because that's how you're gonna get your notifications. If you don't hit the bell, you're not gonna get notified that Maxine's Corner just uploaded a video. So I feel like I'm saying so a lot, and I don't know why. Let's get into how to make this delicious vegan lasagna. I have 3 zucchinis, and I'm pretty much gonna chop them up like that. You just chop them up. I chopped up my 3 zucchinis, and then what I'm gonna do is I laid my zucchinis on a baking sheet with salt and pepper and adobo. I'm gonna throw it in the oven at 450 degrees for about 30 to 45 minutes. You don't need to put any oil or anything on the zucchinis because they spring a lot of water. So I'm gonna throw it in the oven, then I'm gonna come back out. In my food processor, I have a 24-ounce bag of mushrooms. This is gonna serve as our meat for our delicious vegan lasagna. And you can certainly chop up your mushrooms if you want to, but I really don't have the time to take each and every one and chop them up. So I'm throwing it in the food processor, and I'm just gonna post it until I get to the consistency that I'm looking for, because once again, this is served as the meat in our lasagna. I put my 24-ounce bag of mushrooms inside of my food processor, and I rough chopped it, but you can easily chop it if you have the time to do it. And this is gonna serve as the meat for our lasagna. So instead of using ground beef, we are using the mushrooms, and this is pretty much the meat of the lasagna. So I chopped 1 red onion, and you see the colors inside of there. That's just from the mushrooms. I really didn't feel like chopping onions either, so I threw it all in the food processor. And throwing everything in a food processor just made the process for making this vegan lasagna real simple and real easy, and take less time. But once again, feel free to chop everything that you see here. So that's 1 red onion chopped. Okay, my healthy people, so what I've done is I've peeled and cut 3 eggplants, and I'm gonna put this, and I added some salt and pepper. I'm gonna put it in my broiler for about 7 minutes. Now you can keep the skin on if you choose to do so. I just don't like the skin because I'm making vegan lasagna, and I don't want to taste the skin on it. The eggplant is gonna serve as the pasta shell. So I'm gonna throw this in my broiler for 7 minutes. All the ingredients is gonna be left in the description box, so make sure you check out the description box to learn how to make this, okay? It's time to make our ricotta cheese, right? And we're gonna do it vegan style. Ow! Stop it, Maxine. Okay, so I have 2 cups of soaked cashews, and I soaked these overnight. I'm going to add the juice of half of a lemon, half of a cup of cashew milk. You can use any milk that you want to. Herbs de Providence. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Hey guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, why not? Go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to hit your notifications so you won't miss any of your videos, alright? If you don't have this, you can also use dry parsley, oregano, garlic powder as well. I add some adobo to this. garlic powder. If you have fresh garlic, you can use like a clove of garlic. That's just as good. Black pepper. I think we're at the consistency that we need. This is our ricotta here. Looks good, right? Look at that. Perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna make our sauce. I am gonna use some oil. If you are plant-based, you could just use water. So I'm using some grapeseed oil, like 1 teaspoon, nothing crazy. My onions that we chopped earlier. Okay, so once your onion is cooked, you add your mushrooms that we chopped earlier. This is our mushrooms, and it's pretty much cooked. Okay, I'm gonna add some tomato paste, and this is probably gonna be just 1/4 cup of tomato paste, guys. And all the ingredients is going to be in the description box, so not to worry. All right. Okay, so once you add your sauce, you just go ahead and stir everything around. It looks so good. This simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes on low heat.
And I didn't understand that you were the one. I can't wait to see you
Delicious. Oh my god. Woo. 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 Oh my god. Guys, I'm not lying. This is delicious, scrumptious. You're gonna love it. Wasn't that easy? I know. So easy to make. I want no excuses. There's no reason why you should say there's nothing to eat as a vegan, especially with all the delicious foods that's here on Maxine's Corner. So that's all I have. Check out some of these other videos as well, and I'll see you guys next time. And what? Stay healthy.